Linda?
Whoops. Wrong way. I thought it was on. I thought the light's not very bright. We're just going to go over to the poles and do some anti-fouling. But you got to go at high tide, so it's high tide at 7 this morning, so 5:45 we're getting the boat ready to leave the marina. Quick cup of coffee and we're off.
Well, we made it to the entrance of the Careening poles and we're just waiting for a bit of light to assist us so we can actually see where we're going because it's a bit windy. Yeah, so we're going to be on the poles. We're just going to go on the poles for a couple of days, maybe 3 at the most. We've got to get in there, paint the bottom of the boat, check the size of the prop, and then get out because we're heading off in about just over 2 weeks. And Magnus has got to
2 weeks.
And Magnus has got to measure the prop so that we can buy a new one, put it on board, and then somewhere down the track we'll switch it out. Can we do it under the water? You said we could. Yeah, we can do it under the water. So we just need to know how big the prop has to be, and the only way we can know that is by coming out of the water and measuring it. So that's what we're doing. We're painting, we're measuring, and then we're getting out of Dodge.
And we're checking our scrape from when we hit the rock.
Oh, I forgot about the rock. Yeah, we're checking the rock bump. So that's where we're at. Yeah. We worked out it was about 16 months since she had her bottom painted. It's looking pretty good. So Magnus has gone off to work and my task is to wash and sand the hull and try to get some paint on today till the tide comes in anyway. Not much on the prop. That's pretty amazing. Not much at all. Looking a bit better. Just trying to get the silt off. Nearly round. Oh, I nearly made it round. Just ran out of steam.
There's the water outside.
Wow. Is that because it's broken or it just looks like that?
Oh, that's how loose it is, look. Hang on. Yeah.
Oh.
At least it wasn't as loose as the other one. The other one just fell off my hand.
Whew. Ta-da!
New stainless steel one. We can't get any bronze ones in town, so we're going to put a stainless steel one in for the time being and change it out at a later date so that we don't have the similar metal issues.
And you've got dissimilar metals, but that's all we can get.
That's all we can get for the time being, so we can always replace it down the track.
Yeah.
There's dissimilar metals in it anyway because it goes from bronze to a stainless steel elbow. So there's already dissimilar metals.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
there's not much we can do.
And I'm just sanding at the moment. So I've got up to there, so I've done about 1/10 of the boat ready for painting. A little bit to go.
This is how thick the boat is. I'm just feeling the inside there. It's crazy, isn't it? It's how thick it is.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to get some Sikaflex.
Oh, you can see right in.
Yeah. It's the same thread.
Yeah, it's crazy tight, isn't it? Another dry fit. I'm now racing the tide. I'm going to paint one side and then paint the other side tomorrow and then paint the whole thing again the next day. Half a boat painted, first coat, and the tide is a-coming. There it is.
What are we up to, sweetie?
We have come down to the little shop at the marina, because we're not at the marina right now, to have, well, we came down to get bread and eggs, but we've treated ourselves to a coffee, because we are painting the bottom of the boat today. It's going to be a big day. We're trying to do 2 coats and then get out of the lodge.
Plans, Dan.
If we leave it one more day, we may not get out, and then we won't be going to Indonesia when we want to go, because we'll be stuck on the poles.
Look at the morning. That's where the marina where we've been the last year and a half. Yeah, beautiful. Anything else? No.
No, just looking forward to the off. It's getting closer and closer.
Yeah.
Trying to get over there. Ready for painting?
Yeah. Once the tide goes down.
Yeah. So this is what life on the poles is like. The through hull held up last night.
All plumbed in now.
So that's a relief. We're on a mission now, we're really on a mission to get this boat painted today. We've got another coat to do on this side and 2 to do on the other side. And we've got about 6 hours to do it.
When?
Yeah?
What are the 2 things I love doing?
Painting and wallpapering.
Not. 2 things I hate doing. Painting and wallpaper.
That's it. That's it. No more paint. She's nearly got 2 coats on this side. She's got 3 coats on her waterline and leading edges. Nearly 3 coats. 2 coats. So we're pretty tired. And now we're just going to clean up and relax until the tide comes in. Right. We're going up for a well-earned shower and a very good scrub. And then a nice cold beer. All done. So we go off the poles tomorrow back to the marina. Hope the davits arrive in time. We're just over a week away before we go. Visas have arrived, export permit things have arrived. Ticking the boxes. We're just waiting on the davits. But if we don't get the davits, we can put SV Peanut on the deck. Yeah, it's getting really real now. Oh, I'm looking forward to this shower. It's a beautiful morning. We're just waiting for the tide to come up enough to get off the poles. And I think I'm going to be wading. Wasn't on long. Tide comes in very fast. Oh, better hurry up or I'll be swimming to the boat. It's getting pretty deep.
So you're going to be glad to get off the poles?
Yeah, I only just made it back.
Oh no, it's getting deep.
It's really deep, so I'm just going to wash the stinky water off my feet, off my legs. Just getting ready, getting mooring lines sorted. This is the last time we'll be here on these careening poles.
Yeah, the back end's floating.
Yeah, nearly free. Oh, so close.
Happy travels, enjoy Indo.
Well,
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, we're off. Whew. It's a fine line though. There's not much water. Not much room at all. Doesn't like to reverse, so you never know which way she's going to go. The others are all gone. They got off a bit earlier. They weren't quite as deep as us.
Hopefully this is the last time we'll be going into the lock from seaward while we're here in Darwin. That's all I've got to say about that.
So it's just over there, that gap. What's arrived?
Hey? What's arrived? Our davits.
It's the last thing that we're waiting for.
Yep, the last item before we go. And I still don't have any instruments.
Work in progress, that one.
Oh.
Show me the davits, or are they too big and heavy to lift up?
Big day at the office today.
Yeah. Ooh, very snazzy. First dry fit of the new davits. Very flash.
You like that?
Yeah.
So she's going to get up about that high. It's there, so that'll fit in easily,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
To our lifting point. That'll sit in there. Piece of cake.
Happy?
Yeah, pretty happy they arrived. It was so quick.
Yeah.
Star Trek freight is so good. Yeah, and they're not ideal, but they're all we can get up here in Darwin. So we're going to make do with them. They'll be fine. So what I might end up doing later on is getting this extended, gives a longer area. Perfect. Pretty happy.
That's clever. You just line up the tape and it ends up being
Yeah.
even. Ah. There we go.
35mm, centre line to centre line. Oh, 35mm. Right? But the other way around.
Yeah.
Wow. You are the master mechanic.
Look at that, eh?
Yep.